Buying a car today has become more expensive than ever before. Prices are rising everywhere, from brand new vehicles to used cars. Many people believe that owning a reliable car requires spending tens of thousands of dollars, but the truth is that car is the For decades, the Toyota Corolla has built a legendary reputation around, and it is definitely not the most luxurious car. But what the Corolla does better than almost any other vehicle is something far more important: reliability. The story of the Corolla began many decades ago when Toyota wanted to create a vehicle that was affordable, efficient, and dependable. Their goal was simple: build a car that ordinary people could buy and trust every single day. And they succeeded beyond anyone's expectations. Today, the Corolla is one of the best-selling cars in the history of the automobile industry. Millions of units have been sold worldwide, and it has become a symbol of durability and practicality. When people search for a car under $10,000, they usually worry about one major problem: unexpected repairs. Nobody wants to buy a cheap car only to spend thousands of dollars fixing it later. This is where the Corolla truly shines. Mechanics around the world often say that the Corolla is one of the easiest cars to maintain. Its engineering is simple but extremely durable. The engines are designed to run smoothly for hundreds of thousands of miles if properly maintained. In fact, it is not uncommon to see older Corolla models with more than 300,000 kilometers still running reliably. Another reason the Corolla is so popular is fuel efficiency. Gas prices continue to rise in many parts of the world, and drivers are always searching for ways to reduce fuel costs. The Corolla has always been known for its impressive fuel economy. Most models can easily achieve excellent mileage, making it one of the most economical cars to own. Over time, this can save drivers a significant amount of money. But the Corolla is not only about saving money, it is also about comfort and practicality. Inside the cabin, the design is simple and functional. Everything is placed exactly where you expect it to be. The seats are comfortable enough for long drives, and the visibility is excellent for everyday driving. Drivers often appreciate how easy the Corolla is to handle. The steering feels light and responsive, making it perfect for city driving. Parking is simple thanks to its compact size, and navigating narrow streets becomes much easier compared to larger vehicles. Another important advantage is the availability of spare parts. Because the Corolla is so popular around the world, replacement parts are widely available and relatively inexpensive. This means that even when maintenance is required, the cost is usually manageable. Insurance costs for the Corolla are also typically lower compared to many other vehicles. Young drivers often choose the Corolla as their first car because it offers a combination of affordability, safety, and reliability. Over the years, Toyota has continuously improved the Corolla by adding better safety features, improved engines, and more modern technology. Even older models often include essential safety systems such as airbags, anti-lock braking systems, and stability control. For a car that can cost under $10,000, this level of safety is impressive. Another interesting aspect of the Corolla is its reputation among taxi drivers. In many cities around the world, taxi companies rely heavily on Corolla vehicles. The reason is simple: taxi drivers need cars that can operate all day, every day, with minimal problems. The Corolla has proven that it can handle this kind of intense usage without breaking down frequently. This reputation has made the Corolla almost legendary in the automotive world. When you buy a used Corolla, you are not just buying a car, you are buying decades of engineering experience and reliability. Of course, no car is perfect. The Corolla is not designed to be a sports car. Drivers who want high performance or aggressive acceleration might find it less exciting compared to some sporty vehicles. However, the Corolla was never meant to be a race car. It was designed to be something far more important: a dependable daily companion. A car that starts every morning, a car that takes you to work, school, or travel without stress, a car that keeps running year after year. This simple philosophy is exactly why the Corolla continues to dominate the used car market. When searching for a used vehicle under $10,000, buyers often compare many different models. But again and again, the same conclusion appears. The Toyota Corolla is one of the safest choices you can make. It offers reliability, low maintenance costs, excellent fuel economy, and a reputation that few cars can match. And sometimes, when it comes to buying a car, reliability is the most important luxury of all. Because at the end of the day, the best car is not always the most expensive one. The best car is the one that never lets you down. And for millions of drivers around the world, that car has always been the Toyota Corolla.